Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saisha. This is Amogh Kaliwal. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last video, we understood some of the concepts of normal distribution, its characteristics and application of normal probability on live examples. In today's video, we will understand the different types of attributes and Bernoulli distribution definitions and its applications. There are three types of variables: categorical or discrete variable, ordinal variable and numerical or continuous variables. Now let us understand each one of the variables with examples. Categorical or discrete variable. It is the one which has two or more categories without the intrinsic ordering of these categories. Example, if we consider gender as a categorical variable, then male and female are the categories of gender variable. If we consider hair color as categorical variable, then blonde, black, brown and red are considered as the categories for the hair color variable. Similarly, if we consider ethnicity as our categorical variable, then Asian, American, African and Hispanic are the categories of categorical variable. Categorical or discrete variable is also known as nominal variable. It always represents the count of the categories in the variable. The second variable type is ordinal variables. These are similar to the categorical variables, but the key difference between the categorical variable and the ordinal variable is the categories of the ordinal variable can be ordered in ascending or descending order. Example, Fortune 50 rankings of the companies. The ranking of the companies might be provided on different parameters like growth, revenue, vision of the company and so on. Here we can order the rankings from 1 to 50. Similarly, if we consider educational experience as ordinal variable, then school, high school, college and graduate are the categories of the variable, which can be ordered in ascending order from school to graduate and in descending order from graduate to school. The main key important parameter of ordinal variable is the difference between the two levels of the variable is not always the same. The third type of variable is numeric or continuous variable. The definition of numeric variable is it has the values that describes a measurable quantity as a number, like how many or how much. A few of the examples for numeric variables are the number of employees in the company, or the temperature of New Delhi, New York, London in September month, or the number of COVID-19 positive cases around the world. Similarly, fluctuation in the stock market indices or the share prices also represent numeric variables. These were some of the types of variables. Now let us understand Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distribution. By definition, Bernoulli distribution is the discrete probability distribution for Bernoulli trials. Now what are Bernoulli trials? Bernoulli trials represents random experiments which has only two outcomes: success or a failure. Outcomes of Bernoulli trial differ for different applications. Example, to identify a rainy day, yes or no, or for a coin toss, heads or tails, and so on. The different formulas which are utilized in Bernoulli distribution are P of n, that is probability distribution function, which is equal to P if n is for success, and 1 minus P for n is failure. Expected value for any random experiment of x is E of x, which is equal to P. Here P represents probability of success. Similarly, to identify the variation in Bernoulli distribution, we utilize V of x, where x represents a random experiment, which is equal to P into 1 minus P. Here P represents the probability of success and 1 minus P represents the probability of failure. Now let us understand some of the applications of Bernoulli's distribution. Few of the examples of Bernoulli's distribution are coin tosses. Here we can record how many coins lands heads up and how many coins lands tails up. In an ideal situation, a coin toss has an equal probability of heads and tails. That is, for a random experiment, the probability of getting a heads is 50% and the probability of landing up a tails is 50%. In example of births, we can calculate the probability of how many boys are born and how many girls are born in each day. In case of rolling dice experiment, we can calculate the probability of a roll of 2 dice resulting in double 6. These are some of the examples of Bernoulli's distribution. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.